Good morning, Izzy. Izzy's been up since 5 because she wanted my pillow and she got it. Good morning. Yeah, Daddy. Yep, there's my boogers. Good morning.